Dear friends, today we discuss question number 2, that is knowing our numbers, exercise 1.1. Question number 2 is here, that is place commas correctly and write the numerals. Number A is 73,75,307. First we are writing the numeral, after that we will place the commas. 73 lakh. Now before that we will do write as ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, right? Now this is 73 lakh 75,307. That means 73 lakh 73 lakh 75,307, 307, right? Now we'll put the comma. After 3 digits you put 1 comma. After 2 digits you give 1 comma, right? Now this is 73 lakh 75,307. Okay, this is question number A. Okay, now we will do question number B. Now question number B is question number B. Now question number B is 9 crore 5 lakh 40, right? 9 crore 5 lakh 40. 9 crore 5 lakh 40. First we will write question number B. Now question number B is 9 crore 5 lakh 40. That is ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, right? That means 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore, that is 9 crore 5 lakh, that is you will put 0 here, 5 lakh 41, that means 0 0 0 4 1. Now if we put the commas after 3 digit, after 3 digit, then after 2 digit, then after 2 digit. Now this is 9 crore 5 lakh 41, right? Now we'll do question number C. Now question number C is, you see what is the question number C? Question number C is 77 crore 52 lakh 21,302, right? First write ones, 10, 100. After that you have to write the numerals, and after that putting the commas, right? C is 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Then that means we are writing here as ones. Here you see ones, you have to write ones, then 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This is crore, right? Now the question is 7 crore. That means it is 7 here. 7 crore 52 lakh, 7 crore 52 lakh, 7 crore 52 lakh, 21,000, 21,302, 302, right? Now put the commas, that is after 3 digit you have to put 1 comma, and after 2 digit you have to put again another comma. After 2 digit you have to put another comma, right? That means 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302, right? This is C. Now question number D. Now D is 58,423,202, right? This is million, that means it is international number. You put the here you have to write ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000, then you have to write million, right? That means here you see 58 million, then 10 million, 10 million. Now this is 58 million, that means here you write 5, 8, 58 million 423,000, that is 423,202, 202, right? That means you have to put the commas here. The ones, 10, 100, you have put 1 comma. Then after 3 digit you have to put another comma, right? That means it is 58 million 423,202, right? Now we will do question number E. E is what you see, question number E we are writing E. 23,30,010. That means again you write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh, 10 lakh. Now 23 lakh, that is 23 lakh means 23 lakh 30,000, 10, 30,000, 30, 30,000, 10, 30,000, 30,000, 10, 1, 0. Now you put the commas. After 3 digits you put 1 comma, and after 2 digits you put another comma. Now this is 23,30,010, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.